Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Welcome back to your class Ravisirjee Maths, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12th. Students, in our today video lesson of class 10th mathematics, we are going to solve few questions of exercise 8.1. Students, for solving this exercise, first of all, you will have to learn the formulas of trigonometric ratios, right? If you have not learned, just memorize right now, and we will go through it, how we can apply those formula to solving the exercise 8.1. Few questions we will solve over here, right students? Before starting today video lesson, students, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay students, let us move to the questions. Here in the very first question, you can see that in triangle ABC, right angle at B. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, it means students, the given triangle is right angle triangle, right? AB is 24, BC is 7. We have to determine the value of sin A, cos A, sin C and cos C, right? So first of all, we will draw the figure. So let us drawing the figure over here. This is triangle ABC. What is ABC? B is 90 degree. So in triangle ABC, angle B is what? 90 degree, right students? So for right angle triangle, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem, because students, here you can see that the value of side AB is 24 centimeter and the length of the side BC is 7 centimeter. So applying the Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the value of AC. AC is the hypotenuse, right? So what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem states that square of hypotenuse is equal to square of sum of those two sides which are making right angle, right? So according to Pythagoras theorem, we can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, right student? What is the value of AC? This is unknown. So AC square is equal to AB square. This is 24 square. BC square is 7. So this is 7 square. So AC square is equal to 24 whole square means 576, and square of 7 49, right student? So the value of AC square, adding these things together, we are getting 625. How much? 625. So the value of AC will be, taking the square root of 625, the square root of 625 is 25, right? Now students, here what we want to find out? We want to find out the value of sin A, right? So for sin A, so we know that formula for sin A, for sin theta, just you will have to clear your concept about sin theta. We know that sin theta is what? Altitude by hypotenuse. Altitude by hypotenuse in the triangle. So here you can see that for angle A, because we want to find out the value of sin A, for angle A, opposite side is always altitude. So the altitude for angle A means opposite side to angle A upon hypotenuse. So opposite side is what? BC, and hypotenuse is what? AC. So value of BC is what, student? Value of BC is 7 and the value of AC is 25, right? So we got the value of sin A. Now we want to find out cos A. So what about cos A? Cos A, base by hypotenuse or adjacent side by hypotenuse. So what will be adjacent side for angle A? So this will be adjacent side for angle A. So adjacent side will be what? AB and hypotenuse will be what? AC. So we can write AB upon AC, right? What is the value of AB? Value of AB is 24 and the value of AC is what? 25. So the value of cos A is 24 divided by 25. Now students, next we want to find out the value of sin C, right? So what about sin C? For sin C, right, for this angle, opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite side? AB, hypotenuse is AC. So what is the value of AB over here? 24 and the value of AC 25, right? So value of sin C is equal to 24 by 25, right? So we got the value of sin C. Now we want to find out cos C. What is cos C? So we know that cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. Otherwise you can say that adjacent side by hypotenuse to that angle. So for angle C, adjacent side or base will be BC and hypotenuse will be what? AC. So BC upon AC. So BC is what? 7 and AC is 25. So the value of cos C is equal to 7 upon 25. Right students? Now moving to the next question. If sin A is 3 by 4, we have to calculate cos A and tan A. Right? Suppose students, we having a right angle triangle A, B and C, where angle B is suppose 90 degree, right? The value of sin A is what? 3 upon 4, 3 by 4. So students, taking angle A for sine function, the ratio will be what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So for angle A, opposite side to angle A means altitude by hypotenuse. So opposite side will be BC and hypotenuse is AC. So we can write what? BC upon AC is equal to 3 by 4. So let us consider this ratio gives the value of x. So here we are considering, right student? So what will be the value of BC? The value of BC will be 3x and the value of AC will be 4x. Now students, here you can see that we got the value of BC, we got the value of AC, but the value of AB is unknown, right? So if two sides are given in right angle triangle, we can find out the third side applying the Pythagoras theorem. So applying the Pythagoras theorem over here, so AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. The value of AC square 4x whole square. AB is what? Unknown. So AB square. BC square. So value of BC is 3x. So we will write over here 3x whole square. Right student? 4x whole square 16x square. AB square unknown and 3x whole square 9x square. So the value of AB square will be what? 16x square minus 9x square. So AB square is equal to 7x square. So the value of AB will be root 7x. Value of AB will be what? Root 7x. Right student? Now root 7x, right? Root 7 into x, because we are taking the square root of 7x whole square, so we will get the value of AB root 7 into x. Now we want to find out the value of cos A. For angle cos A, base by hypotenuse means adjacent side by hypotenuse. AB, hypotenuse is what? AC. So value of AB root 7 into x, and the value of AC what? 4x. X will be cancelled out, so the value of cos A root 7 by 4. Right, student? Now we want to find out value of tan A. So tan A, what is tan A? Tan A is equal to opposite side by base, right? Opposite side of angle A and base to that side means AB. In short, you can say that opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side, base by altitude by base, right? So we can write BC upon AB. So what is the value of BC? The value of BC is 3x, and the value of AB root 7 into x. X will be cancelled. So the value of tan A 3 upon root 7. Right, student? Now moving to the next question, question number 4. Given that 15 cot A is equal to 8, so find the value of sin A and sec A. We have to find the value of sin A and sec A. Okay, student, consider for a right angle triangle A, B, C, where angle B is 90 degree. Here it is been given that 15 cot A is equal to 8. So what is the value of cot A? 8 by 15. Right? Now considering A for cot A. So for cot A, first of all, we should know the formulas for cot A. If you know the formula for tan A, we know that tan A is equal to altitude by base. So what about cot A? Base by altitude, because these two ratios are reciprocal to each other. So if you know the ratio of tan, you can find out the ratio of cot. Tan theta is equal to altitude by base, so cot theta is equal to base by altitude. So for angle A, adjacent side will be base and altitude will be BC. So cot A, for cot A, right, base by altitude means AB by BC. 8 by 15, consider this is x, right? So the value of AB is equal to 8x and the value of BC is 15x. Now in right angle triangle, if two sides are known, you can find out the value of third side. Here third side unknown means hypotenuse is unknown. So the value of AC square will be equal to square of AB plus square of BC. So this is a statement of Pythagoras theorem, right? So AC square unknown, value of AB square 8x square and BC square 8x whole square, and this is BC square 15x whole square. So this will be 64x whole x square, and here will be 225 x square. So AC square is equal to, here will be x square is common, so 6 plus 4 plus 5 9, 6 plus 2 8, here is 289 x square. So value of AC will be square root of 289 x square, which is equal to 17x, right? So students, we got the value of third side. Now our target is to what? Find out the value of sine A. Sine A. So sine theta is equal to altitude by hypotenuse. For angle A, altitude will be BC and hypotenuse will be AC. BC upon AC. What is the value of BC? 15x, and the value of AC is 17x. So 15x divided by 17x, x will be cancelled. We are getting 15 by 17. This is the value of sine A. Similarly, we want to find out the value of sec A. Sec A. Students, if you don't know the formula to find out the value of sec A, means sec theta, you should know the formula for cos theta. Cos theta is what? Base by hypotenuse, and sec is a reciprocal of cos. So the formula will be hypotenuse by base. Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. So sec will be hypotenuse by base. So for angle C, hypotenuse will be what? AC, and base will be AB. So we can write what? AC upon AB. Here is the value of AC is 17x, and the value of AB is 8x. X will be cancelled. So sec A is equal to 17 upon 8. Okay students, here we are completing today's video lesson. I hope you have understood. For more video lesson, keep watching your channel Ravisirjee Maths. Thank you students. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.